I can't really explain it. I'm so into you now. I wanna be more than a friend of you now.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, Giana Beauty. I'm here to show you some of my favorite products that I've been using this past year and I'm just completely obsessed with. The look that I'm going to do today is also going to be something that is wearable. Nothing like too crazy, but this is like a look that I would just do for work, going out, and I'm always using these same products, so I just wanted to share with you my favorite go-tos, and let's get started. Also, if you have not been to my channel, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and then also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This headband is super cute. It's actually by my aunt, Screaming Beauty. I will put her link at the bottom. I did another video for YouTube not too long ago, and I did it on my phone, and I'm so upset because I could not figure out how to upload it to my channel. So in my last video I did talk about this, but I never posted it. So this is the headband, and I have a couple more, some behind me. She is super talented and I highly recommend you check out her stuff. This product that I want to show you guys, this is a device called Flawless Touch, and basically it helps you remove any hair on your face. They also have a body one, but what's really cool about it is that it won't cause any like razor burn or anything like that, and it's super easy and quick to use. So when I'm feeling like I have some hair on my face, I use this. And I'm just going to show you how it works. So you just turn this on. This literally makes your skin, like your face, feel so smooth because you have no hair. And what I like about it too is just how quick it is. And if I like see that I have a little hair here, I could remove it super quickly with this in the morning. So I do leave it with all my stuff over here. But yes, this is called Flawless Touch. The next product that I want to rave about is the Lancome Advanced Genifique, I think that's what it's called, Genifique Serum. So it's called Youth Activating Concentrate, and when I had the flu, I really need something to just hydrate my skin completely. So I went to Ulta and I found this. Yes, it was super pricey, I'm not gonna lie, but totally worth it. You only need a drop. And I do my skincare morning and night. I actually do a little more products for night, but in the morning, these are my main two. And then I use the Clinique Moisture Surge, which I'm sure everyone's heard of. This product definitely saved my life with dehydrated skin. So I just use a tiny bit, I rub it in my hands, and I press it in. The next product I use for my skin, so I do a lot of like skincare prior to applying my makeup, and part of the reason is just because I'm super dry, and the other reason is that I'm an esthetician, so I know that my makeup can go on so much more flawlessly if my skin is good. So the next product I'm going to use is the Laura Mercier Foundation Primer. This is the hydrating one. So the next product that I use almost every single day is my own palette, Giana Beauty. I use this eyeshadow by Moto Brushes. So what I did is I just switched it to a fluffier brush just to blend it out. Shimmer color right here. And I like to use my finger for this part. So my next favorite product is the Caviar Stick Color. This is by Laura Mercier as well, and basically it is a brown shadow, but I'm going to use it as an eyeliner. I'm going to take this brush and just blend it out and make it more of a wing. The brush that I use for my foundation is called Moda Pro. And I don't know why, but this is just like my favorite brush to use for my foundation. This is called the BMX 180 Buffer. The foundation that I'm going to use today, I've been liking this one because it's super natural and soft and light. And this is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk. And this one is 570 medium tan. Yes, I do it darker than my face because my body is a lot tanner than my face right now. And I just like to look tan. So I'm going to apply this. This one is great because it's vegan and it has a dewy finish, so it's going to look really hydrating on the skin. This is actually my favorite concealer, more than the Tarte Shape Tape, just because it is a full coverage but not as heavy as the Tarte Shape Tape. So I absolutely love Boing, and I use this one in number 5. I'm sure you guys can tell already that I love to be tan, so my next favorite product that I use every single day is cheek leaders from Benefit Cosmetics. In the inside, on the inside, there is the Hoola bronzer and the Hoola caramel. Obviously, you can see that I use Hoola a lot. I also use a lot of the Coralista and the Cookie. I love all these. Sometimes I'll wear Cookie on my eyes instead of the shimmer from my palette. I switch off depending on my mood. They both have like a different vibe. And then basically, I feel like I only use this blush. I just am obsessed with it. And I use this more for my contour and this for my full face. So I'm going to start with my Moda brush. This one is the multi-purpose powder brush, and I'm going to use my Hoola, and I'm just going to do a dusting all over the face. Don't ever forget the ears. Now I'm going to switch to the Hoola Caramel, which is this one. And I'm going to switch my brush to the contour brush from the Moda collection. So now I'm going to use my favorite blush, the Coralista. I definitely can't have any type of look without a brow. So the products that I'm really obsessed with at the moment are the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit in 3.5, and then also the Gimme Brow number 2. I usually use the Precisely My Brow, but lately I've been liking how quick and easy the Goof Proof is. Goof Proof is so quick. Now I'm going to do the other side. Okay, so I did apply the Gimme Brow off camera only because I just quickly did it. It's really easy. You literally put it on like mascara, and all I do is I just brush the hairs up to make it look fuller and more feathery. So the next product that I want to show you guys is my highlighter by Laura Mercier. This highlighter is literally my favorite. It is like pure gold, and this one is actually called Addiction. This one is my favorite highlighter. The next product that I want to share with you guys is the Tati lashes. These are the 3D Luxury Mink, and I already trimmed them down because I've worn these before, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what they look like. Okay, so now I applied my lashes, I applied my mascara. My favorite mascara is the Roller Lash by Benefit. I used to like the Bad Gal Bang, but I felt like it would have a lot of like fallout and it would fall in my eyes and really hurt, whereas this one, it doesn't, but it still gives you the lift and like the volume that you want. But my next favorite product right now is the Buxom. You can tell that I use this a lot because the logo is like completely off, and this one's called Hush Hush. The combo I like to do is this one with the Buxom Full On Plumping Lip Cream in Irish Coffee. And this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I know there's a lot going on in the world right now, so I hope this just kind of eases your mind and takes your mind off of, you know, the stress. I know that I'm going to be home for the next probably 2 weeks, and my boyfriend is out of a job right now, and I figured why not just bring out as much content as possible, and that is what I did exactly today, and I have the whole rest of the 2 weeks to create more content for you guys. So if there's anything that you guys want to see, please feel free to comment below. I highly recommend you do, so that I can, you know, start posting more of what you want to see. I know I do a lot of these like glam looks. Maybe you want to see something different. So please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment below, and please be safe, and until next time.